Yoshi and Bowser's taking a big lead. And on the lap 2 curve. Here they go. But oh no, poor Luigi's in last. He catches up. But he doesn't catch up with Mario, Yoshi, and Bowser, but now Luigi's in 4th. But Peach is now in 4th. Oh no, all those birds just fell off. I have no idea what happened to that. Well, Wario catches up, but Toad falls way behind. Oh, the tree branch fell down, sorry. We go around here. But Luigi fell off. And this is lap 3. I forgot to tell you, sorry. But I forgot little Toad, he's a bullet. And now, this is the final lap. And the winner is Mario! 2nd Yoshi. 3rd Luigi. 4th Bowser. 5th Toad. 6th Peach. 7th Wario. 8th, okay, I'm done.